So distributive property. What do you mean by distributive property? Till now students, you know the Bodmas rule. How to solve the calculation according to the Bodmas rule. If I multiply 3 into 4 plus 7, you know according to the Bodmas rule, you have to solve the bracket first, then after you do the multiplication. So if you do the bracket first, it should be 4 plus 7, 11. So 3 into 11, that will be 33. But if I apply the distributive property, I have to multiply the 3 into 4 plus 7. I will multiply first 3 into 4, plus sign is there, plus 3 into 7. So that the calculation of this will be 3 into 4 will be 12, plus 3 into 7 will be 21. So again the answer will be 33. So you are seeing this answer and this answer are similar. So the distributive property will be like this. If A will be multiplied with B plus C, the answer should be A into B plus A into C. Likewise, it should be 3 into 4 plus 7. It should be equal to 3 into 4 plus 3 into 7. Here I am taking A as 3, B as 4, C as 7. So you can do that. A into B means 3 into 4, A into B, and A into C will be 3 into 7. So this into this again plus this into this. If I put 5 into 7 minus 2. So it should be, as the minus will be there, so it should be 5 into 7, the minus sign in the middle, so 5 into 2. So this is called distributive property over addition, distributive property, distributive over addition. This will be distributive over subtraction. Over subtraction. So you shouldn't know that distributive property is very important for the calculation point of view. How to make the calculation easy? By applying this distributive property. So you see that if I write 3 into 504. So 3 into 504, the calculation you have to multiply these two, but I am going to apply this distributive property to calculate it. How to do the solution? So you see, so it should be, I will like that, write like this, 3 into 500 plus 4. So you see, here I am writing this 400 is 500 is 500 plus 4. So it should be in the manner of A into B plus C manner. So you are seeing A is 3 over here, B is 500, C is 4. So this will be A into B plus C manner. As you know that A into B plus C should be equal to A into B plus A into C. So likewise I am going to write the answer like this. It should be 3 into 500 plus 3 into 4. So see the calculation by without multiplying this big number with small number. By this you just do the calculation and find it out easily. 3 5s are 15. So 1500 plus 3 4s are 12. So it should be 1512. So without calculation, if you write like this, you know the simple calculation method, without big multiplication you find out the answer. So this is known as the application of distributive property, how to make our calculation easy. Likewise, if I write 5 into 102. So see again 5 into 102, I am not going to multiply this with this. So big multiplication will be there. So I will write A into B plus C manner. So how I will write? So I will break this 100 as 100 plus 2. So see, so it should be 5 into 100 plus 5 into 2. So keep the 5 into 100 and 5 into 2 in the bracket. So you could do it easily. It should be 500 plus 10. So 510. Likewise, you are saying it is your 102. But if I take more big number, likewise 500 into 1002. So again, without multiplication I could do it. It should be 5 into 1000 plus 2. So it should be this into this, again this into this. So 5000 plus 10. So it should be 5010. So just to make the calculation easy, we are going to apply this distributive property. So how to make this? A into B plus C manner. A into B plus C manner, if you write, you have to write like this. A into B plus C manner, it should be A into B plus A into C. So first number, this second number, third number, you have to break this second number as B plus C manner. So that you can do the easily. Again I am doing another number so that you just understand very easily. If I write 5 into 98. So 5 into 98. See, here also without multiplication I am going to write it now. 5 into 98 should be 100 minus 2. So likewise I am writing the form of A into B minus C. So A into B minus C will be equal to A into B minus A into C. So 5 into 100